If you're thinking about getting a registered agent service in Wisconsin, well, you might want to avoid a huge mistake that most people make when choosing one, which we'll cover in this video. Plus, there's a legit way to get the first year of registered agent service completely for free, and that's not a gimmick. So in this video, we'll also cover who really needs a registered agent, whether you could be your own, and how to pick the best service without overspending. But first, let's make sure that we're all on the same page about what a registered agent actually is and what they do. So a registered agent in Wisconsin is basically your business's official point of contact with the state. Now, their main job is to receive important legal and government documents on your behalf, things like tax forms, lawsuit notices, and other official correspondence. This ensures that you never miss something critical because you always have someone that's reliable who's going to be available during business hours to handle these communications. Think of it kind of as a designated receiver for anything that the state needs to serve you with. Now, knowing what they do might sound simple, but there's more to why having the right agent actually matters. So stick around here next because we'll talk about which businesses absolutely need one in Wisconsin. So if you own an LLC, corporation, or a limited partnership in Wisconsin, the law says that you need a registered agent. Now, this isn't just a random requirement. In fact, it's essential for making sure that, again, your business can be legally reached for official matters. The state needs a reliable way to contact your business at any time, especially if there's a legal case or important compliance paperwork. Now, without a registered agent, you could miss deadlines or court notices, which can obviously lead to costly fines or even lose your good standing with the state. The agent serves as your business's official go-between for those important state communications. But before we jump in too deep here is one thing to keep in mind about all this. So the registered agent requirement, it can look pretty simple on the surface, but it's one of those areas where, little small mistakes can cause some huge headaches. That's why many business owners, including myself, choose to let a professional service handle it because, frankly, it just makes life a lot easier and honestly, it's surprisingly affordable. Now, I've personally used one platform myself that you can pay $39 to help you form an LLC or corporation, and then they include the first year of registered agent service completely for free. So if at any point during this video you decide that, letting a pro handle it, that just sounds easier, and you want to check it out, just go ahead and click right up here to learn more. Now, no pressure at all to click on that link, but if you need it throughout the video, it is up there for you. That all said, one of the inevitable questions that always comes up is, well, can't I be my own registered agent? Well, let's go ahead and cover that. So if you're thinking about being your own registered agent in Wisconsin, there are some clear rules that you have to follow. So first, you must be a resident of Wisconsin with a physical street address in the state. No PO boxes are allowed. You also need to be available during normal business hours because the agent has to be ready to receive documents at any time. Now, the upside here is that doing it yourself, you're going to save some money on service fees and it gives you direct control. But there are some big downsides. So if you're out of the office or miss an important delivery, your business could face penalties or even legal trouble. Plus, having your address publicly listed isn't always ideal for privacy, especially if you work from home. Now, on the flip side, hiring a professional service, it means that you have less stress because they're always going to be available. They're going to keep your address private, and they're going to handle compliance reminders. So if you want something that's pretty much hassle-free and just want to focus on growing your business, paying a small fee for a professional's peace of mind usually pays off big in the long run. Next here, let's dig into why so many people choose to hire a registered agent service and who the best provider is for Wisconsin. So most people pick a commercial registered agent because, well, quite simply, it's just more reliable and professional than handling it yourself. Now, they're available during normal business hours, they handle all the legal documents promptly, and they keep your address out of the public records. Now, one of the best value options out there is Northwest Registered Agent. Now, their standard price is about $125 per year for registered agent service. However, if you go through them to help form your LLC or corporation for $39, then, as I mentioned previously, that first year of agent service is included for free. And after that first year, it renews at the regular annual rate of $125. Now, when you stack that up against some of the other big names out there, the savings really do stand out. So Zen Business, for instance, they charge about $199 per year for registered agent service, and LegalZoom is even higher at roughly $249 per year. Now, over several years, going with a reasonably priced, high-quality provider like Northwest can keep hundreds of dollars in your business, which is money that you can then put towards, marketing, software, or your next hire instead of overpriced compliance fees. Oh, and there is one other bonus I forgot. So when you file with Northwest, so they actually allow you to use their business address on your paperwork, which means that you won't have to share your address that you're working from publicly and can keep your privacy. So again, if you want to check out Northwest Registered Agent, just go ahead and click right up here to save a few bucks and get the best possible pricing available. Now, next, I realize some of you might still be shopping around for different registered agents, right? So I wanted to cover the different red flags that you need to avoid when actually looking out there and choosing what's best for you. So choosing the wrong registered agent, that can create some major headaches, right? So first, you want to watch out for agents that don't have a physical address in Wisconsin, because again, PO boxes are not allowed. So make sure that their office address is real and in state. Another red flag is companies that add hidden fees or have confusing contracts. Transparency is key to avoiding surprise charges later on. Also, avoid registered agents who don't provide reliable notifications when they receive your documents, because missing legal papers can lead to fines or loss of good standing, which can cost way more than what you saved up front. Now, some providers also try to upsell unnecessary services or don't offer good customer support, which you want to steer clear of. The goal is to find someone that's really trustworthy, responsive, and affordable with clear terms. So again, if you need a high quality registered agent that so many people recommend with a very reasonable price, and you could use some help properly forming your business, again, you can click right up here to check out Northwest Registered Agent, as they really will help you stay in compliance year after year, while you focus on what I'd say is the most important thing, right? Which is running a profitable business. Now, if you have any questions for me, or you're still kind of shopping around or anything like that, just drop me a comment below and I will do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.